What's up, cats and chicks? Outlaw Greaser here, and my beautiful wife Juliet. Newlywed. We just got married yesterday, and now we're on our way to Viva Las Vegas. Hope to see y'all there. We're about 5.5 or 6 hours into the trip. We got 10.5 hours to get to Amarillo, Texas, where we'll be staying tonight, and then another 10 hours tomorrow. We got the dog too. It's crazy. We got it all set up here, a rental car, so we got everything covered for him. His bed, her parent. Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Yeah, they don't speak English, so it's been a heck of an experience. Well, cats and chicks, day 2 at the RV Cadillac Cafe, Ranch, gift shop, something like that. It's a big old cowboy. Oh, amen. Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state. The right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Damn truth. Second Amendment cowboy. I'm all westerned out today because we're also going to go to Billy the Kid's grave after this. Super stoked about that. But in the meantime, we're here checking out these cars at the Cadillac Ranch. I'll show y'all some of that, of course. So, y'all know what to do, dig it, stay tuned. Look, we got Willie Nelson driving. He's an old hippie. He don't know what to do. Should definitely hang on to the old and not grab onto the new though. Look at that beautiful car. And look at that beautiful woman. There's going to be some stuff coming up on here now, so y'all make sure to stay tuned for that. We're going to be going and seeing the Grand Canyon, we're going to be seeing Billy the Kid's grave, and then we'll be making it to Viva. So y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. GTFO.
Of gold. I had a girl in my hometown, but I left home to roam around.
Absolutely beautiful.
My darling, marry me, travel everywhere with me. She says, darling, can't.
Alright, cats and chicks, we made it to the town of Billy the Kid. We're here at the Billy the Kid Museum, the gift shop. We're going to go in here and check it out. And her parents don't know who Billy the Kid is, so they're going to get to read up a little bit about him or translate it a little bit about him before we go see his grave. So dig it.
I'll sing you a true song of Billy the Kid. I'll sing of some desperate deeds that he did. Way out in New Mexico, long, long ago, when a man's only chance was his old 44. When Billy the Kid was a very young lad, in old Silver City he went to the bad. Way out in the west with a gun in his hand, at the age of 12 years he did kill his first man. There's Mexican maidens play guitars and sing songs about Billy, their boy bandit king.
Well, we're finally here at Billy the Kid's grave. Thought I lost my money. Thought I lost my phone for a video on her phone. There's the man right there. I almost lost my mind. But we made it. We didn't get to show you the museum because it cost money and we don't really have time for that. We just bought a couple little knickknacks here and there. The man they say shot Billy the Kid. And the man himself. And they're not open today, but that's cool because we're just going to look at this grave. I mean, these people here, they freaking capitalize off of Billy the Kid. For darn sure. Because you'll see signs of them all over town. Billy the Kid this, Billy the Kid that. And I don't blame them. I literally saw a Billy the Kid taco shop and a wanted Billy the Kid burrito. Here's the old cemetery. And this outlaw has a cage around his grave. If that ain't badass, I don't know what is. Elusive tombstone. People been stealing this tombstone. Billy the Kid's tombstone was stolen in 1951. Its location was a mystery for 26 years until 1976 when it was recovered in Granbury, Texas by Joe Bolin. The tombstone was stolen again on February 8, 1981 and recovered 4 days later in Huntington Beach, California. Governor Bruce King arranged for Dade-Becca County Sheriff Big Jim McBride to fly to Los Angeles to retrieve the marker. Chamber officials, along with Jarvis P. Garrett, officially reset the tombstone in iron shackles at Billy's feet on May 30th, 1981. That is interesting stuff right there, y'all. If you don't know who Billy the Kid is, I ain't giving you a whole story, but just want to get y'all to see this. The kid, completely encased in iron. And I'm not sure. William H. Bonney alias. I guess that's just another tombstone for Billy the Kid. Wow. Wish I had some money I'd throw at him, but I'm broke. So. What he said.
Right.
Here we go, y'all. Joe, Texas Red Grant, died January 10th, 1880. It is said that while drunk one night, Grant had the misfortune of getting on Billy the Kid's bad side at Beaver Smith's Saloon in Fort Sumter, New Mexico. After a heated discussion, Grant bet $25 that he would kill a man first. Billy feigned false admiration for Grant's gun and asked to examine it. While doing so, Billy rotated the cylinder to an empty chamber, anticipating trouble. Billy and Grant eventually got into an argument, and as Billy turned to walk away, Grant tried to shoot Billy in the back, but all he heard was a click. Billy turned and drew, firing 3 shots, killing Grant instantly. You'll also see that scene in the Young Guns movie, so it's pretty cool. I'm glad I saw that before I left. Just one of the many victims of Billy the Kid. The driver's side front one's better than the passenger side. That one's pretty bad.
Oui, je prends une photo.
Day 3, Fort Sumter, New Mexico. Budget car rental gave us a shitty fucking car with 2 back shitty tires. And what do you think happens to shitty tires when they drive all the way across the country? They blow out. So we had a blowout yesterday. Don't fuck with that. That's a fucking tarot card, Johnny. Found a box of fucking tarot cards laying out yesterday. It's been a really weird stay, y'all. You know, we went and saw Billy the Kid's grave and saw the Billy the Kid Museum. Then turns out we're stuck in town and we have to stay at the Billy the Kid Museum. We don't have a choice. So, not the Billy the Kid Museum, but we gotta stay right next door to it. And then I find this box full of fucking tarot cards, and you know me, I just threw them on the ground real hard and have them spread everywhere because I hate satanic shit. But it's been one heck of a trip, you know? To add to all the insanity, we're so far out, we're 160 miles from any town around us, so we're just stuck here without a vehicle. Budget had a tow truck come pick up our rental vehicle last night, and so that means we're stuck here without a rental vehicle. Look at that old-timey fence, ain't that cool? I'm still a kid. We are in a cool town, but it's just kind of eerie. right after we visited Billy the Kid's grave, our tire went out. Then I found them tarot cards last night. I threw them on the ground like any good Christian American should. Now I think somebody's looking at me through the window because I'm being too loud and I'm right next to the trailer. But look at this shit. Why would your trailer be attached to the fucking hotel? You know, is it just me or is that just kind of fucking unorthodox? So, yeah. This is Outlaw Greaser and Johnny Reb signing off. Till next time, you know what to do, cats. GTFO. A lot of weird shit, man. Went to Billy the Kid's grave. Next thing you know, we ain't got no way out of this town. We're stuck here. There's not any Ubers, any Lyfts. There's not any way out of this town. Crash and this girl come to the fucking rescue. Thank you so much. Got a little puppy with him too. What's up, pup? Where'd Crash go? Ah. There's this greasy motherfucker. Come to the rescue again. We've been stuck for 2 days.
So just right around here?
Thanks to this cat. Yeah, back in right there. We're rescued. Well, cats and chicks, this is what it's come to. Look at the back seat we got here. 2 dogs, 3 women, me, and them 2 in the front.
Yeah.
But it's better than no ride at all. So, we're making do. This little bitty car, y'all. Stay cool. Till next time. Little crap. What?
We got crab.
We're making it.
Mama. Mama.
15 minutes.
15 minutes from where?
So they gifted Crash with this Billy the Kid sign. That's also going to be the cover photo for the video, so take it in, cats. We just got done eating at this diner here, and we're going to try to catch them again on the way back. So until then, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned and
GTFO, cats.
damn right. Well, cats and chicks, we made it to Arizona. I'm not sure what part of Arizona we're in. We're about an hour into Arizona. And we finally got a rental car. I got to fill you in on that. Yeah, we got a rental car, but we had to pay for another one. They're going to have to reimburse us for that shit too. Budget is fucking up, y'all. But, got to go to the budget in Las Vegas in the morning to try to get our real rental car back and return this piece of shit. I had to smoke a cigarette. Been driving for about 2.5, 3 hours now. I needed a cigarette. We're gonna get back on the road, and Juliet's parents want to make it all the way to Vegas tonight. It's gonna be an 8-hour drive, so I guess we're gonna do it. So see y'all then.